Kwentuhan muna tayo po. So, today is going to be a simple day. Nothing fancy. Yung bang mga little moments ko lang. Doing errands, doing the grocery, going tennis, ano pa ba? Cooking meals at home. Kasi to be honest, yun lang naman talaga yung ginagawa ko every week. Hindi ako pumupunta ng city. Pag pumupunta naman ako sa Chadstone lang, kung ano man yung gagawin ko sa Chadstone, yun lang din every week. I normally stay at home. But you know what, guys? Kahit ganun lang yun, ini-enjoy ko talaga yung mga ginagawa ko or yung mga moments pag andito na ako sa bahay. This is my personal take. I could do so much pag nandito lang ako sa bahay na hindi lumalabas. Having said that one, feeling ko lang to. Wala po akong creative juices na gumawa ng content. At nawawalan po ako ng inspiration because you always feel na kailangan may ganap, kailangan pasabog, kailangan exciting, kailangan may laging hanas. Pero guys, habang tumatagal, I feel na ang langas ko na. At yung feeling ba na simple moment is what I'm sharing to you guys. Yung simplicity ng buhay, yun lang yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo. At yun yung magiging content natin today. Hindi yung mga parang baliwag Bulacan dito ha. Yeah, sharing real everyday moments lang. Yun na naman taga ako nagre-revolve yung buhay ko dito sa bahay. Kaya ako nga to ginawa ng sobrang maganda yung bahay. For me lang ha, to serve me and my husband para hindi na kami lalabas. So today po, kahit na lampas na alauna. At bago gising lang ako, sasamahan niyo ako making those simple things that makes me happy. Sino ba nakaka-relate ito? Comment down below nga dyan. Sa mga babaeng or sa mga taong kagaya ko that are happy being at home. But before we start our day, I actually want to share something that arrived recently. I have a little haul for you guys from Revolve and also from Viramoda. I have been trying to be more intentional with the things that I buy. I think I said it before. Minsan kasi bibili ako because I like something at the moment lang. Pero ngayon po, I really try to think if I can actually wear it multiple times. So, let's start strong po. This is from Revolve. I actually bought this one because of my upcoming trip. Since pupunta naman ako ng Mount Buller, I wanted to wear them also. This is it! These one po are from Ralph Lauren and both of them are small. Let's start po muna sa pants. Ay, napaka-buttery ng texture niya. Ay, ang ganda. This is the pants. Trackies po siya. It has a logo on the side. May pocket po siya sa kanyang both sides. At wala po siyang pocket sa kanyang likod. Straight cut po ito ha. Mahilig po ako sa straight cut. So, yes! And I also bought the pair ng kanyang pants. And this is it. Same logo po sa front. Wala siyang pockets sa kanyang sides. And yeah, this is the top. Lastly, these are from Viramoda. And I haven't tried to buy sa kanilang website. And this is my first time po. Unahin po muna natin yung jacket. Kasi yung jacket talaga, yung reason, ba't ko to sila binili. Uy, ang ganda ga! May pocket siya sa kanyang sides. This is actually thick. Oh my God. This is the fit. Super cute, guys. Brown and navy blue. I haven't worked that out in my head. But this turns out to be so nice. Pero actually, binili ko to for my coming trip. Kasi, sino bang nagtitrip na hindi bago? Kailangan uma-outfit tayo, dahil! So, inopen na yung aking dress. This is also very nice. Oh, pag hindi tayo magkasya dito, nga. It's in ecru na color. These are from Topshop. You know what, guys? Yung nakaka-happy sa mga dresses, pag meron po siyang pockets. Dalawa po yung kanyang pockets. Meron siyang ruching sa kanyang sides, ha? I love this purchase. Super good. Bumili rin tayo ng black number. Perfect siya sa pupuntahan natin. May ruching siya sa kanyang lower boobs at sa kanyang side. Same as the ecru one. Parang maxi dress siya, ha? And if you are someone na below 5'5", magiging gown po siya sa inyo. Pinaalala kong friend. But if you are over 5'5", this can be perfect for your height. Yes! I really, really love those purchases. Oh my God, especially the jacket. Sorry guys, nag-glasses ako. But let's do naman the grocery. Ewan ko lang ha kung ako lang ba yung nakakaranas ito, but I really find it very therapeutic. Walking around, looking for different ingredients, planning what I'm going to cook for this week. And especially ngayon, I am really trying to be mindful of what I buy. Kasi minsan, pag nandun ka sa grocery, parang gusto mo lang bumili ng bumili. So now, I'm really mindful. Mas gusto ko yung alam ko kung ano yung ingredients. At ako talaga yung nagluluto for my husband. Kasi before, nung hindi pa kami lumilipat sa bahay namin, si John talaga yung nagluluto. And for me, food is not just about losing weight or looking in a certain way. It's also feeling good about yourself. Having the energy all throughout the day. The most important is taking care of yourself. Anyway, mag-grocery na nga tayo. Just 3 pieces. Thank you so much. Usually, I like to buy ingredients that I actually use kasi minsan, like na anong sinasabi ko, bili tayo ng bili, hindi naman siya nagagamit. So ngayon, I'm just trying to be practical, buy what I need, prepare what I can, and make cooking at home easier. Small habits talaga nag-a-add up. Anyway, bili muna tayo ng flowers at uwi na tayo. Tennis is something that I really look forward to every week. Hindi lang kasi siya about exercise. For me kasi, it's all about challenging myself, learning new stuff, and enjoying the process. May mga days na okay yung laro ko, but may mga days din na medyo Pero that's the beauty of learning something new. Kasi you don't have to be perfect kaagad, but you just have to keep showing up. sorry. That is actually buying the stuff, and then I'm here now, Coco. I'm still sipping my matcha. So today, guys, we are just going to do a quick reset for the house. Hopefully, make our day a little bit put together. And medyo gusto kong sulitin yung time before I head to work. And also, may mga deliveries akong dumating. So, super excited to show you all that. Before that one, I'm going to do some things for the house, finish my coffee, and do a bedsheet refresh kasi mas maaliwalas yung paggalaw natin sa bahay.
Don't call me up anymore. I know you only want me when you're drunk and feeling lonely. Don't text me things you don't mean. You know I'll fall for it once and again. You keep me guessing and you keep on messing with me. Am I just another girl to you? I'm always stressing and begging you, love boy, I'm craving. No baby, my head 좀 지금 보고 싶다고 해줘. 날 사랑한다고 해줘. You don't know a damn thing. 넌 나만 모르잖아. Quit playing with my feelings. You won't ever know. I just can't going back. I'm falling for you. I just can't going back. I'm falling.
모든 호스러운 시그널 어디로 가는지 몰라 내 옆에 너만 있으면 되는데 근데 가끔은 나도 묻게 돼 대고 again it's like a fool 또 바보처럼 행동하네 나 흥분하지 않겠다고 했으면서도 네가 외로웠던 거 몰라서 서로 못된 말을 뱉어 만나게 돼 Got me feeling bad now 속마음을 숨길 때면 아마 죽을 때까지 너 사랑할 것 같아 You're the only one I'ma
보고
follow
싶다고 해줘. 날 사랑한다고 해줘. You don't know a damn thing. 넌 나만 모르잖아. Quit playing with my feelings.
Okay, this part is something that I have been looking forward to. And these are the stuff that I have ordered from the Yes Style website. And I have been wanting to try some of the pieces that are in here. But there are also some that are repurchased. Kasi wala na, naubos na siya. So let's open them up. Ito po lahat yung mga purchases ko. I'm actually so excited for this. Let's start strong. I bought the Biodance Bio-Collagen Real Mask at yung unang binili ko po is 2 boxes at ngayon naman 4 po yung binili ko kasi I want to stock up. And also, I bought the Hydroceranol Real Dip Mask. Also from Biodance. Dalawa yung binili kong boxes. I really love this mask. Napaka-supple po ng aking skin when I use them. Second naman is this hand cream from Kose. This one, I have a friend before na nag-introduce sa akin ito. Tayo nga natin. Bango. This is so good. Yes, I'm gonna take this one in my work. And the following are all Anwa products. So first one is the PDRN Hyaluron. Hindi natin siya bubuksan ha, but this is such a great product. Yung PDRN talaga is something that I really enjoy having every nighttime. It helps to repair your skin, improves hydration, reduce redness and inflammation, stimulates collagen production. It can make your acne scars go away and improves fine line over time. Last year ko lang to siya na discover and I really love using them. So, dalawa yung kinuha natin. Meron din akong kinuhang dalawang niacinamide. To be honest, guys, this is the best niacinamide I've ever tried. I also got the azelaic acid. Ito, dalawa yung kinuha kong box. And I got this one mainly because I wanted to improve my skin texture. All of them are in a serum form, ha. Kung lahat ng kinuha ko is serum form, meron din ako kinuhang Anwa PDRN Hyaluron na cream form. And lastly, guys, meron akong kinuhang PDRN Hyaluron na Nest. So that's everything that I have ordered from Yes Style. And of course, I will let you know kung alin dito yung favorite ko. And hopefully, may mga holy grails tayo na ma-discover. I have few hours to have a rest. So, biro na tayo.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love.
Kinabukasan na po at magandang umaga. Maganda po yung araw ngayon. It's a sunny and bright day. Paubos na rin yung matcha ko. It's currently 3 p.m. And guys, tinatrangkaso na po ako. I think also it's going around. I think it's reasonable naman. At this time around ha, magkasakit. Kasi malamig po. Hindi kalamigan yung araw ngayon ha. Yung temp dito sa Melbourne. Anyway, gusto ko pa to sanang ipagpatuloy yung vlog ko until next week. But I think hanggang dito na lang kasi I am going to hibernate na po. Natatawa po ako pero ang sakit po ng katawan ko. Pipilitin natin gumaling kaagad. So, even may sakit po tayo, gagawin ko pa rin to. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do because I really want you to be here. Hit the notification bell button for you to be updated whenever I post something like this. Like, comment, and share this video. This is Em Ibanez. Bye!